Hello everyone. Welcome to episode 7 of Power BI PL300 exam series. This is your host, Aapka Consultant, bringing you episode 7, covering question number 7 in this ongoing practice set. So, today's topic is grouping or summarizing rows in Power BI. So, without further ado, let's quickly jump and see the question. So yeah, this is a question where you have to arrange the steps performed on you choosing the options. So the question goes like this: arrange the following steps in the correct order to use the group by feature in Power Query for creating a summary table that shows the total sales amount per year from a table named sales with column sales date and sales amount. So the steps are: number one, choose sum as the operation and select the sales amount column. Second step, open the group by dialog from the home tab. Third step, select year as the column to group by. Fourth step, add a custom column to extract the year from sales date. So you have four options. You have to select the correct order for these steps. So I'm going to pause the video here for 10 seconds and you can select your answer. So yeah, time's up. Let's see what is the solution. So it's option B. So first step is obviously selecting the custom column to extract the year, then perform group by operations, select the year and there's the column, and lastly choosing sum as an operation. So yeah, that is a solution. We will go through the Microsoft Learn article on this topic, and also I will demo you on Power BI desktops app as well to see these steps in live. So yeah, this is the overall explanation. You can pause the video here, go through these options, why they are not correct, and this is explanation given for each and every step. You can go through these slides by pausing the video here. So yeah, this will cover your understanding on grouping and summarizing feature in Power BI query editor. So yeah, that is on this question. These are the resources I'm currently leveraging: the Udemy course on PL300 and the Microsoft Learn article, which we will just directly go and to see the web. So yeah, this is an article on grouping and summarizing rows where they have provided you a sample table. I will demo this table on Power BI, so bear with me on this one. And so this article in detail talks about the group by feature in Power Query Editor. And so this is where the pain is. This is slightly outdated. In the latest version, the group by is on the left. We will see here on Power BI desktop. And so this article in totality talks about the in-out feature for group by, and also the other feature that we have on the bottom is the fuzzy grouping. Please note that fuzzy grouping is only available in Power Query Online. I don't have the access to it, but I will show you the window where if you have the access on Power Query Online, you can directly perform it. And yeah, so you have this option of use fuzzy grouping. You have to select this checkbox. You can also give provides similarity threshold. And yep, so this article is very helpful. As again, please go through this article first to solidify your understanding on this topic, and you can easily solve these questions coming in this prestigious exam to get certification in Power BI data analyst course. So yeah, that is on this article. Let me directly walk you through the Power BI desktop demo. So let me open the Power Query editor. So yeah, I have this table as showcased in the article as well. I have a sales data table where the columns are year, country, product, sales channel, and units. So starting with the group by feature, as I was explaining to you, we have the group by in transform tab. So you have to go to transform, and the top left you can see group by. So click on group by. You have these options of basic and advanced. So let's see, let me select the advanced. So basically, as you can see the data, we have the year is common 2020, but the countries are three: USA, Panama, and Canada. Products are shirts and short. Sales channel is online and reseller. Units are different. So as you can see, year is common, but country and sales channel and product are different. So hence I am using advanced feature. Want to group by multiple columns. So let's say I'm selecting country here, and another can be, let's say sales channel, right? And I am giving the new column name as, let's say, total units. So I want to group by country and sales channel. And this operation, you have these all operations available: sum, average, median, min, max, count rows, count distinct rows, all rows. Let's say I'm selecting sum here, and this is sum of units. So if I press OK, what it will do is convert the entire table in three columns. Uh, Say country, group by country, and group by sales channel, and the total units, because that is what we have selected, right? Country and sales channel as showcased in the mquery formula as well, right? So we have, voila, we have the entire table shortened into smaller table, group by country, sales channel, and total units. So that is how you can use this feature in query editor to basically drill down your data set into smaller, and you can easily analyze and take business decisions on it. So that is one. Another thing you can do is, let me cross this step. So you have this applied steps pane. You can cross this so that it will give you the previous table. Let me go back and select, let's a group by again. Go to advanced. Let it's now again same country and sales. Let's say sales channel. First is total units. Now I am ag- providing two aggregations. Some is units. Second can be products, and let's say the operations is all rows, right? So now I am leveraging two aggregations. Select OK. So what it will do, it will provide a table in the products column. So you can see the table is being highlighted here. So if you select this cell in the bottom, you can see the entire table, wherein for USA country you have this data for year 2020, right? So basically in a single cell you can group the entire table like this with the help of this feature. So now what I'm going to do is, let's say I want to find the top performing product in a particular country. What I will do is add a custom column. So custom column is available in add column. You go to add column, you select custom column, you will give the column name, let's say top performer product, and the formula I'm gonna use is table dot max. So it will give the maximum of the products present in this table. Gonna select products, and let's rename this to units. Yep. So the formula is set. Press OK. So what it will do is again created a record for each row. So if you press on this cell, you can see year, country, product, sales, and like this, right? So now I need to expand this column because I want to see what is my top performing product for a particular country. So what you need to do is select this arrow, and you have this pop up of where you can select those particular columns. So I want this column, let's say products and units. And for the time being, let's select this use original column as prefix to, uh, so that you don't have any confusion. But you can obviously uncheck it as you like. So press OK. So now what it will do is given me top performer product for each row. For example, in USA, shirt is the top performing product, and the production it sold are 5,000. In Canada, it is shorts. In Panama is shorts. In Panama for reseller channel, it is shirt. So like this, you can slice and dice data in Power Query Editor with the help of this powerful feature called custom column and group by. So in they both come hand in hand, and you can perform operation in summarizing rows and grouping. So yeah, that is on the demo on this topic. Hope you like this content. Please subscribe and like the channel. But yeah, I will come back to you with the episode 8 later. Thank you for watching.